Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Spotted these in the toy box in one of the charity shops, so I bought them. Probably shouldn't have. Well, they make noises, I suppose. Thunderbirds, obviously, although I say obviously, to be honest, I didn't recognise this one at all. This must be completely new to the Thunderbirds I remember. I think it's supposed to be Thunderbirds 4, the little yellow one that goes underwater, but I'm sure it didn't look like that, so maybe that's in the, there's been a film about them, hasn't there? Anyway, I'll put fresh batteries in, and we've got a selection of buttons here. There's obviously something broken off here. I don't know what was there. It's not there anymore. Ready for the noises? Where should we start? Okay. And that looks like a little picture of a red rocket. Shut up. Yeah, it looks like a picture of a red rocket on there. Can't quite tell what that one's a picture of. That one looks like Thunderbird 2. Which is the one, the rocket then? Thunderbird, I can't remember. That one looks like Thunderbird 4, little yellow one, which is this one. The blue sort of rocket shaped one there too. I wonder if that's the space station. Alright, well we know what noise that one made. How about this one? The lights have come on. Right, what's the blue one do? Those lights were flashing then. Okay, that one, say, looks like Thunderbirds 2. Not quite sure what that one's supposed to look like. Looks like it repeats each sound 3 times. Right, that's the one we haven't pressed yet. So, it makes, what's that, 6 different noises, although they sound pretty similar, and it repeats each one 3 times, and it flashes the lights. So, what does this one do? Oh look, it's got the same 6 buttons on it. You probably don't want to hear then, do you? I said it's got the same 6 buttons. And that one's the same as that one. I reckon somebody stuck stickers on here. Oh, turn it on perhaps? Yeah. Okay, this one's got lights here. If I tell you it's the same sound on each one, I don't have to go through all of them, do I? So, it does make a noise. Yeah, so it looks like it's the same sound effects on both of them. And before you get confused, that one isn't. This one that I picked up the other day. Somebody did mention it this bit was bowed in, so I keep it with something jammed under there to keep it straight, because as soon as I leave it, it curves back up again. So that was from a few weeks ago. That's got a switch on the back. And that one, which buttons is it you press? That one. Yeah. So that one's, well, it's bigger anyway, but that one's got more features, so I won't go through them again. And these two, I suppose if you're a Thunderbirds enthusiast, they're nice enough. But that one's missing a bit. It's missing a bit there as well. And they both just make the same noises. I think that I think they were 50p each I paid.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.